Hi! Today I'm gonna do a makeup look inspired by the 17 Fallen Flower music video, concept, photos, all of that stuff. Everything was executed so well, the song, oh my gosh, and the music video and the concept photos. I'm mostly getting my inspiration from the concept photos, especially the close-up ones. I'll try and insert some pictures here. So I'm just gonna do a makeup look inspired by that. So let's go. First I'm gonna put my fringe in this. I'm finna look dumb for part of this video. Now I'm gonna apply sunscreen. Now I'm gonna apply foundation, and I'm gonna use this e.l.f. concealer. I usually wouldn't use this, but I ran out of my one that I usually use, and Ulta is closed these days, so I had no choice. And this was all that Walmart had, and I was really worried at first that it wasn't gonna be my color, but I tested it out yesterday and it seemed to be okay, so boop. Hey, fringe, stop. Just go back. Okay. My skin is like really uneven in just like every possible way. Oops, I might have put on a lot. Oops. Okay, this piece of hair is just covered in foundation now. Cool. While doing this makeup, I figured I would talk about 17, since they are kind of a more recent group that I got into. There are a lot of questions about them that I have not answered. So to start off, my bias is Wonu, and my bias wreckers, I have 3. My bias wreckers are Uji, Hoshi, and Mingao. My favorite songs of theirs, oh my gosh, there is so many. I really like 19 and Pinwheel, obviously. Don't Wanna Cry, Thanks, Second Life, 24/7, Healing, oh my gosh, Healing, Don't Stop This Healing, No Time, Diamond, 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 ooh. Okay, so that is, now I look kind of dead, and now I'm gonna use this powder that's pretty much all gone to powder my face. Yeah, I really love pretty much all their stuff. I haven't heard every single song, but everything that I've heard I really like. My favorite vocal unit song is probably Pinwheel, and my favorite hip-hop unit song is Chili. My favorite performance unit song is Lady Up by you know which one I'm talking about, right? You know. Lady Up by, right? Now I'm filling in my eyebrows, and I'm filling them in with a gray because this is like a softer look. And since my hair is black, having brown eyebrows doesn't really look good in my opinion. Which is not the only opinion, so if you like that, you can do that. I just think that this gray matches it a lot more. I'm kind of going for like a youthful look, so I'm just gonna have like straight eyebrows. My favorite choreography by them is definitely Urgo Shpchiana, because, oh my gosh, honestly, I might make a whole video on that choreography because there's just so much I want to say about it. I used to dance for like the first 13 years of my life pretty much. I know a bit about dancing. I just have like so much that I want to say about that choreography because it's so genius. So genius. Hoshi is a genius, and these eyebrows are not looking similar, bruh. Okay, so now we have to get on to like the more interesting part, which is the eyeshadow. I actually went and bought this specific eyeshadow palette for this because I have a lot of pinks and stuff, but I needed more like lighter shade of pink. And usually I buy cruelty-free makeup, but I Ulta's closed and I needed it quick, and so I just had to get this Maybelline Blush Nudes palette. I don't know. Okay, I'm using this brush, and I'm gonna start off with this color just to like as a base. Okay, this like light. And usually I do not do my makeup in natural lighting, and right now I'm in natural lighting and I'm like, ugh, disgusting. Now I'm gonna put on this light pink shade all over my lid. So light pink all over the top and the bottom lash lid something. When I got into 17, I got into them really quickly. I had been listening to some of their stuff for like about a year, but it was only a couple songs. But then basically once all this quarantine stuff happened, I was like, okay, time to get into 17 properly now. And then I watched them on One Day in Japan, and the rest is history. So that's my story of how I got into 17. Now I'm gonna use this kind of more gray. I don't know. No, that's not gray. That's like browny pink. Now I'm gonna use that, and I'm gonna put it on the outer part of my lash lid. Hello? No. Even though I haven't been into 17 for that long, I definitely have fallen hard, you know? Don't do that. And now I feel like I'm a proper carrot. Now I'm gonna take the shimmery color, I'll show you in a second, and just put it on the inner part. So basically everywhere that the darker color didn't go. The color I took was that one. And now I'll just take this dark brown, Jesus, and use it as eyeliner. And this part requires maximum concentration. Okay, and then something that I like to do to make my eyes stand out a little bit more is I'll put some dark brown shade just right here in like the corners of my bottom lash line, just to give it my eyes more shape. Okay, now I'm gonna take this, and where I have like creases under my eyes, I'm gonna take this light brown and kind of fill it in so that the crease isn't so noticeable and makes me look 800 years old. Y'all, I'll take this color again and put it under my eyes and on the inner corner. That's good for now. I'm gonna apply some mascara. I don't actually like using mascara, so I'm just gonna use this eyebrow gel instead, because it makes my eyelashes less clumpy, which I like. Now, okay, here's kind of the hard part. So I was thinking of like a blush that I wanted to do, and I was thinking of doing like a heart blush, you know, and doing like a little flower here, or okay, never mind, I changed my mind. I still think I'm gonna do the heart blush, so let me just do that. I'm taking a brick red shade and a blending brush to just make the first curve of the heart. Kind of looks like a bruise. Okay, scratch that, cover it up. I'm gonna take this and put it on my cheeks in a heart shape. Okay, now I'm gonna put that same color here and up here. There we go, there we go, there we go. So Now I'm gonna apply it's Anastasia Moonchild highlighter, and I'm gonna apply the shade Pink Heart over my cheeks here, and I'll apply the shade Blue Ice on the tip of my nose right here. I don't know what this is called. Is it called like the glabella or something? I don't know. I don't want to seem dumb. And under Cupid's bow. And there's one last thing, the cherry on top. One moment. I found these gems and such, so I'm gonna do my best to stick them on my face around like here. I'm gonna use this like already curved one first. Okay. Oh, I didn't fuck that up. Okay, same thing on the other side now. Now I'll take this one and put it closer to the bottom. Whew, okay. And then to finish it off, I'll put this blue flower on the top. Okay, now I might take some of this pink flower here and put, okay, this might actually not work. Okay, it's not even, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay. Now lastly, I just want to add a little bit more highlight underneath my eyes. So I'll take this and put it in the corners of my eyes and underneath. Okay, and here's the finished look. Yeah, I can see. Okay. Thank you for watching. I hope that this was enjoyable. Thank you. Bye.